Hello everyone. Good afternoon to all. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. The term artificial intelligence is referring to the use of computer system to perform tasks that normally require human understanding. Within the next 3 to 5 years, we expect that there will be an exponential increase in the number of commercial AI based applications. A study says that AI applications falls into three main categories. The first category, product applications, that is embedding AI in a product or a service to provide end user customer benefits. Example is Netflix's recommendation engine, voice search in your mobile and TV. Second category, process applications, that is to incorporate AI into organizations workflow to either automate process or to improve them by augmenting worker effectiveness. Automated voice response systems have been used for some years now to replace human customer service agents for the first year customer support that you all are knowing. Third category is insight applications. It harnesses advanced analytical capabilities such as machine learning to uncover insights that inform operational and strategic decisions across an organization. For example, company can employ a predictive algorithm to segment customers into groups with similar needs and buying patterns. It then uses this information to prioritize its sales efforts and tailor promotions. Important takeaway: start using latest cloud-based applications for your business needs such as accounts and finance, HR, marketing and productions, processes, etc. All latest applications are using AI ML cloud, so you don't need to worry about implementing it for developing it on your own. My area of expertise lies in the field of digital marketing. Therefore, I will tell you how you could apply the digital marketing framework to your business and build an agile strategic approach to digital marketing. I will tell you 5-point digital marketing framework, that is PRACE, PRACE. Point number 1, plan. To win, you need a plan. Manage and optimize the digital channels against the defined targets, smart KPIs, and focused investment in content marketing and digital media. An integrated digital strategy is essential to define customer segmentation, targeting, and positioning of your value proposition. Point number 2, reach. Reach involves building awareness of a brand, its products, and services on other websites and offline media in order to build traffic by driving visits to your websites, microsites, and social media pages. It involves maximizing reach over time to create multiple interactions using different touchpoints. AI application allows smart content curation and generation, programmatic buying, voice search, etc. Point number 3, act. It's a separate stage. Since encouraging interactions on websites and social media to generate leads is a big challenge for online markets, it's about persuading site visitors or prospects to take the next action on their journey when they initially reach your digital presence. AI applications allows AI targeting, predictive analysis, and lead score. Point number 4, convert. This is conversion to sell, occurring either online or offline. It involves getting your audience to take that vital next step, which turns them into paying customers, whether the payment is taken either online e-commerce channel or offline e-commerce channels. AI applications allows retargeting, app personalization and preferences, AI chat, etc. Point number 5, engage. This is a long-term engagement, that is developing a long-term relationship with first-time buyers to build customer loyalty as a repeat purchase. Using customer communication on your website, social presence, email, direct interactions to boost customer lifetime value. AI applications allows predictive customer service, marketing automation, drip marketing, etc. Important takeaway: results can be measured by repeat actions such as repeat sales and sharing content through social media. We can also measure the percentage of active customers, email subscribers, customer satisfaction, and recommendations. We believe that data-driven marketing is the best approach to growing business through digital marketing. Priorities and important improvements should be based on sound evaluation and optimization processes using digital analytics showing which marketing activities are effective and which aren't. All search engines like Google, Bing, Yahoo, all social media channels, and most of the digital marketing tools are using AI with Praise framework for your benefits. So start using it from today. Thank you.